everyone, welcome to Virtual Kids in the Kitchen. My name is Miss Jenny from the West River branch, and today I'm going to show you how to make easy Crescent party poppers. This is a kind of a fun snack that you can make at home, maybe for your at-home New Year's Eve celebration this year. Okay, so all you'll need for this is a tube of Crescent rolls, which are really yummy, some mini chocolate chips, colorful sprinkles so they look nice and festive, and then you will need a tablespoon of melted butter. You're also going to be using an oven to bake these, so make sure you ask a grown-up for help turning your oven on if you need to, okay? So the first thing you are going to do is turn your oven on to preheat it to 350 degrees. So remember, get your grown-up for help for that part if you need to. Okay, so once your oven is heating up, you're going to start by opening up your tube of Crescent rolls, which if you've never done it before, you have to peel the paper off kind of like this, and then you get to poke it right along this seam with a spoon. It's kind of fun to do. Wait until it kind of pops open just like that. Twist it open, and out pops your Crescent rolls. Now we're going to unroll this roll here like this. See how that goes? So this is what they look like when you unroll them. And what you're going to want to do is kind of see all these kind of seams where you can peel, kind of break them apart. You want to just kind of press them together because we're going to cut them in a different shape. So we just want to kind of press all these together like this, kind of close them up. It's kind of fun playing with them. Just like that. And then we have to cut them into smaller rectangles. And you want like 12 rectangles. So I'm going to use my pizza cutter because that makes it very quick and easy. If you don't happen to have a pizza cutter, you can use a sharp knife. But if you're going to do that, you might, again, need a grown-up to help you with that because you don't want to hurt yourself. So we are going to cut them like this. I'm going to cut them up the middle long ways, and then I'm going to make 5 cuts like this, and you'll see we have, I didn't do a very neat job of cutting, but you'll see that we have 12 rectangles. And so what you're going to do to assemble your party poppers is you're going to get your mini chocolate chips, and you're going to put about a half teaspoon, maybe a little bit more if you want them to be a little bit more chocolatey. You're going to put them right kind of in the middle like that. I'm going to do a couple here, just like that, to make them a little chocolatey. And then you're going to roll them up like this around the chocolate chips, like that, and press them together to close them up. Put that bottom side down onto your baking tray, and I'm kind of pressing the ends together close like this. You see how that looks? A little bit from the end to make them into that kind of fun party cracker, party popper shape. Okay, I'm going to do the second one here. Press them all close together. Go like this. And then the next thing I'm going to do to make them look really fun and festive is I have a pair of kitchen scissors that I'm using. And again, if you don't have scissors like this, you can use a sharp knife. But I'm cutting into the edge right here, and I'm making it look like it has a little bit of fringe. It's kind of a fun thing to do. Spread it out, turn around and do the other side, just like that. Okay, we're going to keep going until we have all of these assembled. Okay, so once you have your party poppers assembled and on your baking sheet, you're going to want to take a tablespoon of butter and melt it in your microwave like I've done here. Okay, and if you maybe have like a barbecue or pastry brush at home, you can use that to brush the butter on the top. I don't have one with me, so I'm just taking a little spoon. I'm just going to do this, kind of spread it around. This will help them turn all nice and golden brown in the oven, okay? Just like this. And then we're going to put some sprinkles on. As soon as we do this. Okay. Just like that. Almost done. Okay, last one. There we go. Perfect. So then take your colorful, fun party sprinkles and just sprinkle them on just like this. Get some nice color. They look nice and festive for whatever you would like to make them for. And then once they are all sprinkled and ready to go, you're going to put them in your 350-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes until they look nice and golden brown. Check them at 10 minutes and see how they look. And then take them out and you will have your party poppers that look just like that when they're done. And that's it. Thank you everyone so much for joining me today. See you next time.